Yes. If it... You are live?
Not live.
Look at this. We got the Harley shop here, okay? You need to start talking.
What's up?
This is Ellis right here. We call him Sweet Tooth Ellie.
So what Ellis is doing over here on this 2011 Harley Streetlgide,
Which has 2014 bags.
which has 2014 bags. We're doing the Rockford FOSGATE Stage 3 kit, which has the amplifier, 2 6.5s.
We changed out the radio.
We changed out the radio and used the Rockford option,
And now he's doing the Rockford
which
cutting.
looks great actually. Right now he's doing the Rockford cut-in kit, which is where we take your existing lids, and Rockford has a template, and that template goes on top of the lid and tells us exactly where to cut, how to cut. I would still highly suggest, if you're not mechanically inclined, to not attempt that, because it has to be spot on. So one little slip and you're purchasing some new lids. Let's go open up the bag. All right, so he's got the wire here for the subwoofer right here, and then this is for the 6x9 right there.
That comes with the sub kit, the 14 sub kit.
Okay,
Cut in grill, so
that's pretty cool. It's got a cut-in piece that will allow some of the output to exit the bag. 4-gauge stinger wire from the front to the battery. This customer, we did not swap out his battery because he just got a new one, or we would have, generally speaking, have asked that question for them. And here it is in action right before it's cut.
yeah, this is the sub kit. I'm doing the cut-in kit next.
Okay, that's the subwoofer
Clutch side.
grill portion like we just looked at over here. That's afterwards, and that's before. So in the top of the lids will be the 6x9s from Rockford. 6x9s, right, Wade? Yeah. 6x9 Rockfords in the lids, and he's going to have the new Rockford option subwoofers in it. And I have heard that once. I was happy with it, so that's why we offer it. If I'm not happy with the product, I absolutely will not offer it, and will try not to use it unless the customer absolutely tells me that that's what they want. If you guys have any questions, please visit wiredcustomsmotorsports.com.